Today I'll be taking a look at the Eufy Clean H20 Cordless Handheld Car Vacuum. This handheld vacuum is marketed as a perfect car companion to make cleaning every corner of your car a breeze, with its car-specific attachments and a compact, cordless, powerful design. Full disclosure, Eufy Clean did send me this product for review, but this is not a paid video. Inside the box you have the vacuum itself along with a couple of accessories to make your car cleaning easier. First up we have the brush head, handy for cleaning your air vents and hard surfaces. And then also included is an extension hose, which can be great for getting into little crevices like the sides of your doors or down the sides of your seats. You also have a car charger, which is both USB-C and USB-A, so you can use that to charge your vacuum but then also use it to charge your phone as well. There is also a USB-C cable provided and a nice little bag to store everything in. First impressions of the vacuum itself is, it feels quite well built. The handle feels nice in my hand, the balance is good, and the buttons are easy to press to turn it on, and also choose between max and eco mode. In between the buttons are 3 LEDs for indicating battery charge status. Underneath the vacuum is the USB-C port for charging. The specs say it weighs 654 grams, but once you remove the cover, it's under 600 grams, which is less than a bottle of water. Removing the cover here and you can see the business end of the vacuum, which is also extendable, great for smaller spaces like car interiors. The attachments clip on and off easily and feel securely attached when fitted. The vacuum also has a built-in LED headlight, which is really helpful to show what you're doing. While the vacuum is off, you can press and hold the Max/Eco button to turn just the LED on and off too. Eufy says the H20 is good for about 30 minutes of runtime, and then using the included super fast car charger by Anker, the vacuum can be fully charged in your car within an hour. Suction power is rated at 40 air watts, which for the purpose of this vacuum seems well suited. So on paper, it sounds like a pretty impressive handheld car vacuum, but how well does it actually work? Let's head out to the car now and test it out. First up, I'm going to use the vacuum and give the seats a bit of a clean. As you can see, most of the debris on the seat is in the crevices, and the H20 does a good job at collecting that. The floor mat here is pretty dirty, it has pet hair and plenty of small particles. Going over the area with the vacuum, it did a good job of the particles, but the pet hair was proving to be a bit more of a challenge. I removed the floor mat and tried on the carpet underneath, and it did a good job here. I then thought I would see if by adding the brush attachment on the end it might agitate any of the more stubborn particles, and I think this helped on both the carpet and the floor mat. But in the end there was still some pet hair left behind. I did find that by switching to max suction mode definitely helped for the carpet cleaning. Next up, with the brush attachment, I gave the touchscreen and surrounding hard plastics a clean, along with the leather around the shifter and also inside the cup holders. The vacuum did a great job here, and as you can see, even though I had my studio light set up, the LED headlight proved invaluable to see deeper into the cup holders. Next up was the extension hose, and with its slim nozzle made it really easy to get down the sides of the seats and anywhere else the main vacuum nozzle can't reach. In my testing, the eco mode on the vacuum does the job for most things, and then for larger or more stubborn messes, a quick press to turn on max suction mode and the job is done easily. If you have a child safety seat in your car, this vacuum is so handy for cleaning around that too. I first used the extension hose to get into all the crevices around the child seat, and then once I was happy there, removed the extension hose and vacuumed the rest of the seat. Overall, I think it did a great job. Once you are done with cleaning, simply place the vacuum in your cup holder to keep it steady, plug it into the included charger, and that's it. Once charged, you can pack it all up in the included storage bag, and it takes up next to no space in your car, so it's always available when you need it. I found battery life to be good in eco mode, but running the vacuum on max power will definitely shorten the usable time. Fortunately though, it does charge quickly, so you aren't waiting hours before getting back to it. To empty the collected rubbish, simply rotate the barrel anti-clockwise and it will separate from the main handle. Then remove the red filter housing to allow you to then empty the contents of the dust cap. You can rinse this dust cap underwater to clear out any fine dust as well. You can also extend the nozzle to clean that too, and just remember it must be dry before using the vacuum again. The filters are washable, they separate with a twist as indicated on them, and you can then rinse both the primary filter and high performance filter underwater to clean them. These must be left dry for 24 hours in the sun before reinstalling, and Eufy recommends replacing the high performance filter every 6 months or after 50 washes. Overall, I found the Eufy Clean H20 cordless handheld car vacuum to be very suitable for the task. It's lightweight and compact, and the included accessories are well suited to the task it's designed for. I did find cleaning pet hair from carpets a bit challenging though, but almost any vacuum, even mains powered ones, can struggle with that at times. Battery runtime seemed accurate, and I like how it all packs up into the included bag so no parts go missing, and it's easy to grab and tackle any mess. The Eufy Clean H20 is a really handy car vacuum from a reputable brand that I can definitely recommend. It retails for $120 US, and if you're interested in purchasing one of these for yourself, there are links in the description. If you want to know anything more about this vacuum, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you, and thanks for watching.